In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in Zoho Books. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a small business owner, just getting started with Zoho Books, creating a purchase order is an essential skill that will streamline your procurement process and ensure that you always have a clear record of your orders. Let's dive in and walk through this step by step. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your central hub for managing finances, so make sure you're familiar with the layout. Once you've reached the dashboard, your next step is to click on the Purchases section. This is where you can manage all your company's buying activities, from purchases to purchase orders. Next, find and click on Purchase Orders. This opens up a dedicated area where you can manage all existing purchase orders and create new ones. To create a new purchase order, look for the option that says Create New Purchase Order and give it a click. This will direct you to a new form where you'll input all necessary details related to your order. A critical step here is choosing a vendor. Use the drop-down menu to select the vendor you're placing the order with. If the vendor isn't listed, you might need to add them to your contacts in Zoho Books first. It's essential to ensure accuracy here, as any discrepancies can lead to issues later on. Now, with the vendor selected, move on to selecting a delivery address. This is crucial because it's where your ordered goods will be shipped. Double-check the address to avoid any potential shipping mix-ups or delays. After setting the delivery address, enter the purchase order number. This is a unique identifier for your order and helps both you and the vendor keep track of it. Use a logical numbering system to avoid confusion, especially if you're handling multiple purchase orders simultaneously. Once that's done, it's time to focus on the item table section. This is where you'll specify the items you're ordering. Make sure to include detailed descriptions, quantities, and pricing. Accurate information here is critical. It helps prevent errors in fulfilling your order and ensures you maintain a precise inventory record. Finally, after completing all these fields with the correct information, you're ready to save your work. Hit the Save and Send button. This action will not only save the purchase order in the system, but also send it directly to your vendor. Make sure to review all details before sending to confirm everything is correct. And there you have it. You've successfully created a purchase order in Zoho Books. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore this feature further and become more comfortable with its functionalities. Thanks for watching, and happy order processing!